everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your ring battery. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, the thing that you have to make sure is in your ring doorbell, this kind of device that you will see, right? So for you to take out your battery, it will be on the bottom side of it as in the picture has shown. You're simply gonna go ahead, simply gently pull out at the outer core of the ring doorbell, and simply from the bottom you have to tap in this push button that will be given over just right here. Once you tapped on that push, that battery will just come out. Simply take it out with your hands and you can simply charge your battery with the charger that will be available within the shipping of the ring hole. And once you have taken out the outer core of the battery as well, this gonna look like here in this section, and the battery will be inside at this particular device here in the silver, and your battery gonna look like this. Once you have it connected with your wire charger, this gonna two green and red line gonna light up, and you can simply charge it here in this section. You can see this a push button, right? And inserting as well, you can simply take it out and then you can push it inside this particular device over here, and again reattach it on the ring doorbell of yours outside. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.